If I was a billionaire, I'd be the worst one. Build me some rockets and blow up the sun.
You want the blue side up, red team, you want the red side up. Whoever has the most buckets by the end of the game wins. 15 minutes, unlimited refunds, any questions.
Wait. How many buckets are there in Kill House?
No. One's in Kill House, one's in Great Wall, and then one's in Stripe / Pink Away.
All right.
All good? Red team, take that walk. Blue team,
see you, boys.
best to stand behind the red line.
Bye. Yeah, so pink hallway, I'll hit bank, go up that way.
He had his flashlight on full brightness. He would just like shine.
That's the way to do it, dude. The flashlight's the best, dude. I need to charge mine, obviously.
It would blind like everyone. They couldn't see.
That's the point. That's why you do it. People can't see you.
Hope you're not epileptic.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Pee. Is this thing full auto?
Just say no full auto in
goddamn,
buildings.
okay. Fast, bro. Get it. Oh, you got me. Good shot. Dead man coming through. Oh, no way. Good shot. Got me in the face.
That arts got underneath my
Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, some of them are spicy. You got a spicy one too?
That pistol's definitely at 1.2.
No way, dude! Man! You guys are landing some of the craziest shots. You should be clear up to kill. I'm gonna take this window. Coming in. Oh, you got me. I didn't get him.
Blue team has Field House.
Blue. Ooh, sorry, there's someone coming.
Blue team has Field House. Blue team has Field House again.
Where we at, Blue? Sorry, sorry. I know, I missed. This one. You're the only one coming for me, dude. I'm proud of you. You're awesome. Blue.
Blue.
5 minutes. You really like that market. Just build it like that. Just do that. Literally, it's just Peru. Yeah, that's it. Stop gears. Right.
Stab. That was hilarious. I got out. Bro, one of you lever guns need to get in that closet in that kill house. I was just in there and that's like the best spot. That was my last BB. Holy crap. Ha, good kill. Dead man. Swing a little more, the merrier. Swing a little more, do-be-do-be-do-boo. I was coming for him, bro. He just went ham. He went berserk.
He's still going.
All right. Bro, that was a sick run.
30 seconds.
Bro, that was hilarious, bro. I turned the corner and there's all of you. Good game, dude. That was fun. Good, I saw your red in through that crack.
You could be so late. I hit you like right in the forehead. I hit you like.
Did you? Oh, dude, my bad.
You're good. You're good.
Then they all got me.
Woo! Who won?
Oh yeah, you guys smoked us.
Dude,
I was holding Kill House down,
dude,
but like I got bored laying in.
all the way over there.
Do what?
We were like right there.
Damn.
Like, we were like, are we a little bit too close?
I was holding down the Kill House for so long it got boring, so I just left.
Dude, we thought you guys were like giving
Somebody,
up.
I thought we, bro, I know, right?
someone was like pushing on it, and I
Bro, good fighting, dude. That was fun.
It's my first time.
Really? Bro, you're pretty rowdy with it. I was gonna give you a piece of advice. You know, when you carry like this, you can shoot from here still. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
fire.
just,
Okay, keep your eyes on.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, remember, we're still on the shoot.
oh yeah. Until you get past the blue. That was